Today's video of Flutter Widget of the week. Today's video we're gonna be talking about slider. So this is slider widget that I have here. This is all about it. I put it inside a column. As you can see, this text here. When I reduce it, this as you can see, this widget, which is a text. This is it all here. So I just came out with a tip calculator. So this is all about the slider widget. And if you want to know more about any widget, what is you're gonna do is just press Command B on Mac. Here you can see that the slider is a stateful widget. So here also, here you can see I'm using also better a stateful widget. So that's how you learn more about any widget. So guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video. And until then, see you. If you are new here, if you are not subscribing, hit the subscribe button. Until then, take care.